Choosing the right DDR3 RAM for gaming can greatly impact your system's performance. Whether you're building a budget-friendly rig or looking for higher speeds, selecting a reliable and fast memory kit is crucial. In this guide, we've compiled the best DDR3 RAM options that balance performance, affordability, and reliability, all tailored for a smooth gaming experience. Let's take a look at our top picks for gaming-ready DDR3 RAM. Number 4. G.Skill Ripjaws X Series 16GB, 2x8GB. This memory kit has more than 2,000 reviews with an average of 5 stars. It offers a good price-to-performance ratio, and since this kit is manufactured by G.Skill, you can rest assured knowing it's backed by a lifetime warranty. It's slightly pricier than some of the other options from this lineup and doesn't top the chart for performance, but it's still a great option for RAM sticks with low CAS latency. Brand G.Skill. Computer memory size 16GB. RAM memory technology DDR3. Memory speed 1600 metric tons per second. Compatible devices desktop. About this item. XMP ready. Designed for performance and compatibility. Achieving the nominal XMP overclock speed and system stability will depend on the compatibility and capacity of the motherboard and processor used. Memory kits will boot at SPD speed with BIOS settings by default with compatible hardware. Number 3. Kingston HyperX Fury 16GB, 2x8GB DDR3. This is a good performing DDR3 RAM module, with an attractive and compact heat spreader. This RAM's latency is a bit high, but it's still a fast RAM kit offered at an affordable price. It is pretty fast, affordable, and reliable, making it one of the best DDR3 RAM options on the market. It comes with a lifetime warranty from Kingston, for peace of mind. Different colors are available in these RAM sticks, but stock for the different variations in this memory type is somewhat erratic. Brand HyperX. Computer memory size 16GB. RAM memory technology DDR3. Memory speed 1600 MHz. Compatible devices PC/server 240 pin DIMM. About this item. Asymmetric heat spreader for stylish heat dissipation. Compatible with Intel and AMD platforms. Automatic overclocking, reach faster speeds and higher capacities, no adjustments in BIOS needed. Unique, tested with all popular brands of motherboards. 8 independent internal bank. Guaranteed lifetime warranty, free technical support. Number 2. Patriot Signature 8GB DDR3. This is a budget stick of RAM, and it's priced accordingly. It's not especially fast, with the highest latency in our lineup. It's going to be adequate for gaming, but might be somewhat of a bottleneck for games with high RAM demands. Certainly, this would not be a good choice of RAM module if you're interested in overclocking. If you're looking to equip your system with 8GB or 16GB of RAM on a strict budget, this is a decent option, but it won't be able to match the performance of more premium RAM offerings such as the Corsair Vengeance LPX. Color, 8GB 1600 MHz single module. Brand Patriot memory. Computer memory size 8GB. RAM memory technology DDR3. Memory speed 1600 MHz. Compatible devices desktop. About this item. PC 3-12800, 1600 MHz, dual data rate. 240-pin dual inline memory module. Non-ECC unbuffered. 2-rank double-sided module. 7.8 US refresh interval, 8192 cycles/64 ms. 1.5 V power requirement. Auto and self-refresh capability. PCB height, 1181 mm. Serial presence detect, SPD. Number 1. Corsair Vengeance Pro Series 16GB, 2x8GB DDR3. Corsair's excellent Pro series offers some of the best RAM performance in this category, with very high speeds and low latency over the Corsair Vengeance LPX series. With a robust anodized aluminum heat spreader, this RAM will be able to maintain optimal thermal performance even under load, and it looks fairly stylish as a nice bonus. This is particularly useful for anyone who intends to overclock their RAM and needs to think about power consumption rather than a low voltage. Corsair has a reputation for building some of the best and most reliable computer kit, and they offer a lifetime warranty on all their RAM modules. Coming with low CAS latency, this is pretty much identical in many ways to the DDR4 RAM version. Brand Corsair. Computer memory size 16 GB. RAM memory technology DDR3. Memory speed 1600 MHz. Compatible devices Intel 3rd and 4th generation core processors. About this item. Density, 16 GB, 2 by 8 GB. Speed, 1600 MHz. Compatible with Intel Z68 and Intel Z77. Memory configuration is dual channel. Tested latency, 9-9-9-24. Pin out, 240 pin. Voltage, 1.5 V. Format, DIMM.